I don't think people understand the true power of language. Language is more than just words, it's a bridge. It connects people. It builds understanding. When we speak, we share a part of ourselves. We open doors to new perspectives and foster empathy. Words have the power to ignite change, to challenge the status quo, and to inspire people to take action. From the chants of protesters to the slogans on signs, language has always been at the heart of social movements. What rallied people during the Civil Rights Movement? Powerful speeches. The eloquence of leaders like Martin Luther King Jr. and Malcolm X moved hearts and minds, galvanizing a generation to fight for equality and justice. In moments of hardship, it is often the words of comfort and solidarity that help us persevere. Language can provide the strength and unity needed to overcome adversity. Language has the power to move mountains. It can inspire action. When leaders speak with passion and conviction, they can motivate people to strive for a better future. Spanish, in particular, holds immense power for creating positive change. As one of the most widely spoken languages in the world, it has the potential to reach millions and mobilize them for a common cause. It's a language of passion, resilience, and community. From the vibrant rhythms of flamenco to the fervent cheers of soccer fans, Spanish culture is rich with expressions of joy and solidarity. From the Amazon rainforest to the Andes Mountains, Spanish-speaking communities are on the front lines of the climate crisis. And guess what? They're using their voices to protect our planet. Across Latin America, environmental activists are organizing in Spanish. They're raising awareness about deforestation, pollution, and climate change. They are sharing vital information about conservation. They're empowering local communities to protect their natural resources. These activists are using Spanish to spread a powerful message: La tierra es nuestra casa. The earth is our home. They're building a global movement, one conversation, one protest, one educational campaign at a time. Imagine a world where everyone has access to quality healthcare and social services, regardless of language. That's the world countless healthcare professionals and social workers are striving to create every single day. And in this mission, Spanish plays a vital role. In the United States alone, millions of people rely on Spanish as their primary language. For these communities, access to healthcare information and social services in Spanish can be life-changing. From medical interpreters to bilingual social workers, Spanish speakers are breaking down communication barriers. They're ensuring that everyone can understand their healthcare options, access crucial resources, and advocate for themselves and their families. Section 4. Unidos por la Salud. Spanish in Global Health Initiatives. Health is a human right. This fundamental belief drives countless organizations and individuals to work tirelessly to ensure that everyone, regardless of their location or circumstances, has access to the care they need. Around the world, organizations are working tirelessly to improve health outcomes for everyone. These efforts span continents and cultures, bringing together a diverse array of professionals dedicated to making a difference. In this global effort, Spanish is a powerful tool for building bridges and saving lives. With over 460 million native speakers, Spanish is the second most spoken language in the world, making it an essential asset in international health initiatives. Think about organizations like Doctors Without Borders. They are often on the front lines, providing critical medical care in some of the most challenging environments imaginable. These dedicated professionals work in war zones, disaster-stricken areas, and remote regions, offering their expertise to those who need it most. Their ability to communicate effectively can mean the difference between life and death. In many of these regions, Spanish is a lifeline. It enables healthcare workers to connect with patients on a personal level, ensuring that they understand their medical conditions and the treatments they are receiving. Spanish also plays a crucial role in training local staff. By providing education and resources in a language that is widely understood, international organizations can empower local healthcare workers to continue their efforts long after the initial response has ended. Whether it's fighting infectious diseases, responding to natural disasters, or promoting maternal health, the ability to communicate in Spanish enhances the effectiveness of these initiatives. Spanish-speaking healthcare professionals and volunteers are making a world of difference. Their linguistic skills, combined with their medical expertise, allow them to bridge gaps and provide care that is both compassionate and effective. These professionals not only provide immediate medical care but also work to educate communities about health practices, disease prevention, and the importance of seeking medical help when needed. Through workshops, health checkups, and community outreach programs, they foster a culture of health and well-being that can have lasting impacts. The presence of Spanish-speaking healthcare workers in global health initiatives is a testament to the power of language in bridging divides and fostering understanding. Their contributions are invaluable in creating a healthier, more connected world. As we continue to face global health challenges, the role of Spanish in these efforts will only grow more significant. By embracing linguistic diversity, we can ensure that no one is left behind in the pursuit of health for all. Section 5. Manos a la obra. Spanish in disaster relief efforts. When disaster strikes, every second counts. Getting help to those in need quickly and efficiently is crucial. And in these critical moments, Spanish can be the difference between life and death. Think about the aftermath of an earthquake or hurricane. Communities are devastated, communication lines are down, and people are in desperate need of assistance. In these situations, Spanish-speaking first responders and aid workers are essential. They can communicate with survivors, assess needs, and provide vital support and medical attention. They can translate critical information, reunite families, and help communities begin the long process of rebuilding. Section 6. Unlocking a world of impact. Your journey starts now. The power to make a difference is within your reach. Every step you take, every word you learn, brings you closer to making a significant impact. Learning Spanish opens doors to a world of opportunities. Imagine the connections you'll make and the cultures you'll understand. It's about more than just conjugating verbs or memorizing vocabulary. It's about immersing yourself in a new way of thinking and appreciating another culture. It's about connecting with people, understanding their stories, and creating lasting change. Imagine yourself volunteering in a rural community, using your Spanish skills to teach and empower. These are just a few ways learning Spanish can empower you to make a tangible difference. It's about amplifying your voice, expanding your horizons, and becoming a global citizen. Your journey starts now, and the impact you can make is limitless. Embrace the adventure of learning a new language. The world is waiting for you, and the impact you can make is beyond measure. Let's unlock a world of impact together, one word at a time. Follow us for more inspiring content and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on how you can make a global difference. Your journey starts now. If your kids think learning Spanish is boring, you're in for a big surprise. Welcome to Spanish the Fun Way. Our online academy offers free Spanish classes for kids, taught by certified native teachers who have all been background checked. Imagine your child greeting you with buenos dias in the morning or singing their favorite songs in Spanish. And guess what? By using the promo code Spanish20, you get the first few classes completely free. It's a fantastic opportunity to immerse your kids in a new language and culture right from the comfort of home. With interactive lessons, fun games, and engaging activities, your kids will be speaking Spanish in no time. Don't miss out. Use the code Spanish20 now. Click the link in the description or the first comment to get started. Vamos! Let's make learning Spanish a fun adventure for your kids today. Hasta luego, amigos.